Hey fellow riders, hey, I'm in the middle of doing some maintenance, or a lot of maintenance, on the FJR. As you can see, I have all the parts laid out here, and I just wanted to do a really quick video of how I keep track of all the rivets and screws and bolts as I take them off. As you can see, I have all the fairing off right now, or most of it. That's a lot of quick fasteners, screws, bolts, and everything. So how I keep track of that, I purchased this series of hanging bins off of Amazon a while ago, just to keep track. As I take pieces off, I'll put the screws and everything into an individual container for that particular piece, and then I'll count forward 1, 2, 3 as I take other pieces off, and right side and left side. So once I go back to put them back on, it's a lot simpler than fishing through a lot of bolts or having them on the floor in relative areas. I used to do that and stepped on them all the time. So this helps keep them organized. You can do them with bowls. You can do it in a million ways. Ziploc bags, I've just found these are awesome because they're big. I can wipe them clean if there's grease on some of these things, and I can hang them and get them out of the garage and just bring them inside to make room in the garage for a car to park or whatever. So yeah, I just really wanted to give a quick tip. This is perfect. I put little post-it notes in there saying when it was taken off and what day, because this job took me 2 days to take off all the fairings and the work I was doing. So I just wanted to make sure that when I went to put it all back together and got the right parts that I needed for the right pieces. So a really quick tip right here. I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully it helped somebody. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, I'm gonna get back to work, and once I'm done, let's go explore.